Alright guys, so I'm at Ikea. Horrible decision. I'm just kidding. Am I? Is it worth it? No. I dropped the Ja Morant videos talking about his recent situation. The short is doing pretty good, but the actual video's not, but whatever. I lowered the dB on the Rode Wireless Go 2, so I should not be redlining. Oh, somebody left their sunglasses. I need my studio room to look like this. This is gangster. I have this. But maybe I should get another one. Maybe use these accessories. This is fire. It's reasonable. Heat. I like using tilt locks when I'm like walking forward, but then I like using follow mode when that's like facing me. So I still don't know which one I like the most. I'm loving this camera though. But yeah, like I said, go show some love on the Ja Morant video. That was my first studio video with the new camera. And it looks great, in my opinion. But you guys let me know. Like $1,000 for this couch? Hell no. No way. $14.99 for this couch. You out your damn mind. But it does turn into a bed. Wow. This is what I need for the studio room, bro. These little lights. They have the same thing I have, but just like gamer edition. You guys tell me. Yeah, like this light right here is fire. Love spotting all the garbage people leave. I mean, come on, dude. Okay, this is fire. Especially the Joker is better than Batman. Don't at me. Okay, now this is lit. Vlogging with the Pocket 2 is amazing. Nobody knows what this is. Oh, this is fire. Yeah, I think follow mode might be the move. I have made it to the first floor. This is where serious business goes down.
It's $9.99, regularly $12.99. Seating is limited and advance tickets are encouraged. They may be purchased only at our Swedish restaurant. Stop by and pick yours up today. Bring the whole family for a
Fire. Basic. Taxing. The real reason why we came here. I might get this one because of the price. There. It's the one right there. We have made it to the final stage of Ikea. Insane. And if one of these fall on me, it's a wrap. And after walking all the way to the final stage of Ikea, there is no rugs left. I have failed. Well, the moral of the story is never put all your eggs in one basket. I mean, I wanted that rug because it was an extra large rug. It was like a last chance deal. That's probably why it sold out. I wasn't the only one thinking that way. Whatever. So long, Ikea. Oh, damn, I took the zoom off. So long, Ikea. So long.